So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a GP of positive terms and each term is the sum of the next two terms. If that is so, what is the common ratio of this GP? So let us apply the condition which is given. So any term, any nth term is equal to the sum of the next two terms. That is AR power n minus 1 is equal to, right, AR power n minus 1 Tn is equal to AR power n plus AR power n plus 1. So this is the mathematical form of the condition which is given in this question. And this implies if I cancel out A gets cancelled. If I cancel out R power n minus 1, this becomes 1 is equal to R plus R square. If I cancel R power n minus 1. This implies R square plus R minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies R is equal to minus 1 plus R minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. And you have two possible common ratios, minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 and minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. But in the question it is given that the GP contains all positives, all positive terms. That means the common ratio is positive. That means I need to neglect this value. So this would be the right answer to this question. Root 5 minus 1 by 2. This is a positive common ratio. Thank you.